Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I am going to journal a quick quote on May 5th, and then I'm going to give you a flip through of April in my Hobonichi Cousin Avec journal and tell you what supplies I have been loving the most. Today I decided to do a little bit of a collage quote just for some encouragement. It is May 5th and I had pulled out this piece of a magazine a while ago, and it was actually a wooden sign on someone's kitchen counter, and I just cut it out and I thought it would make a neat addition to my journal, and today is that day. So I am just using my Mildliner brush pens to hand letter a little bit, and my Pigma Microns also. And the watercolor cloud stickers were sent to me, and I believe they are from Daiso. But I don't have a Daiso here, so I'm not sure. I think that's what the package said. But they were sent to me from Japan, so that's pretty cool. And I just wanted to add in this because today is kind of a rainy day. The kids are just doing school like most every other day. I got to go to work this afternoon, so I just thought I'd throw in some encouragement and share it with all of you guys. So today I am reminding myself that I will choose calm over chaos, serenity over stress, peace over perfection, grace over grit, and last of all, faith over fear. And probably most importantly, in this time especially, we can choose to have faith and approach every day with the best of intentions and grace. So I'm just throwing in some raindrops from that sticker kit. I love these stickers. I'm going to be so sad when they're gone. They're like, I don't know if they're supposed to be clouds, but they look like clouds. I would assume so. And then some pretty raindrops. And then I am just flipping to the beginning of April in the Hobonichi. It seems like a long time ago, but a lot has happened. These were blank pages, if you'll remember, and I went back and stuck stuff in them that I had kind of accumulated. So you can do that in your blank pages. You can stick in things that your kids have colored or things that you've worked on, pieces of magazine collage. You can go back and journal in them. So there's a lot of things you can do with those pages, but this month I've really enjoyed using all of my stickers, my Mildliners, the regular ones, and the brush pens, my Sarasa vintage color pens, my Sprocket, obviously I love printing out pictures, you guys know, and collage. I love using collage, and we've harvested a few magazines. Real Simple happens to be one of my favorites. And let's see, washi tape is always fun to add in there for a little bit of color and pattern. And then recently getting back into doodling with my How to Draw Almost Every Day and How to Draw Almost Everything books, and coloring with my new Arteza colored pencils. Those are kind of the things that I've been using most this month, along with just other ephemera from my daily life. So I thought maybe this would be a fun little flip and a little way to tell you guys the things I've been using the most this month. I will try and link them all below. But if you have any questions, please just let me know. I'm so happy you guys are here, and I hope you're doing well and staying safe. And today, let's just choose faith over fear and put a smile on our faces. Thanks, guys. Bye.